long pull reasoning. Sit down and reason start. Mind travel far. There I saw. Only things I go on, but me steady. Enough man lost, but my soul firm already. Sit on the corner, sip a tea. Overstand life deeper than what I can see. Them say hustle, hustle, but me ask me why. If you sell out your spirit, how you really happy? Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Long pull reasoning. Take time, take stock. Overstand yourself before world start. From your mindset free. Chains off it drop, deep thought, deep love. That a real top rank, top long pull reasoning. Meditate, don't rush. Big man, silence louder than the crowd. Them fuss from your heart, stay clean. Blessings off it flush. Long pull reasoning. Long pull, hush. See the little youth there, head full of scheme. Nobody teach him, fi honor him dream. Them love fast, hype fast, care fast, fear. But slow truth burn longer than a dick flame. I tell him king, check your lineage, your code. Lion no back crown when him born for the throne. Overstand, my brother, life not cheap. Every loss a lesson when you're so unreap. Like river, let the thought them creep. But anchor and love before you fall too deep. Stand, my brother, life not cheap. Every loss a lesson when you're so unreap. Mind like river, let the thought them creep. But anchor and love before you fall too deep.
Light it, bless it, campfire draw, me confess it. Mind so cool, yet the flame so tall. Ancestor whisper when the ember fall. Waking a demand first things. Give thanks, no chase vanity. Me spirit got ranks. Them a run down hype, get lost in a crowd. Me a reason with the most I soft, no load. Campfire blaze in a center me chest. Storm all round, but the soul get rest. Them say youth, how you smiling tribulation. Me say pressure make diamond overstand the vibration. Campfire draw, steam rise slow, but the truth stand raw. From me lungs to me heart, to the core of me thought. Every breath is a prayer we can buy in our court. Campfire draw, turn weak mind strong like iron and ore. When the whole world shout, man stay sure. Campfire draw. Enough man quick fi bust, them no quick fi build. Them pocket get fat, but the spirit unfilled. Them sip little hype, then the hype sip them. Them forget who them be, just a chase problem. Me say read one book, then read yourself. Take care of your mind like your bank book wealth. Word sound power, careful where you call. Every little seed word grow big, stand tall. Easy, brethren, seed on reason. Every fight inside got a season. When you feel like you can't go further, remember each deep breath is a harder. From the same force hold up the sea. Same one live quiet in a you in a me. Listen deeper. Say that your songs is a real life teacher. Listen deeper. Songs is a real life teacher. Me burn out shame but me burn love brighter. Hold firm ground while the load get lighter. No run from your pain. Use it like a tool. Turn scar into map that a warrior rule. Them say boss how you stay so still. Me say align my mind with divine will. Man no perfect, me a stumble same way. But me rise, wipe my face, still give thanks for the day. Campfire drop, fire dry. Early morn, brother, mind still dark. Little breeze lick me forehead, like it want talk. Me see down pon the ends, world up on my chest. All of this strolling, the flexing, still my soul caress. Me ask myself where the space between my joy and my pain. Then a little quiet voice says there, so you get seen in the green between thoughts. When the mind stops shout, stop fuss. Is there so the truth get caught and the little still voice find us, yeah. In the green between thoughts, when you breathe and you trust, that pause, life bigger than likes and cloud. Whole universe right, new law. Enough man run down things, still them heart feel poor. Whole heap of eyes in them skull, can't hear themselves no more. But when you slow down the hype and listen under your fear, you find a little green garden where just still I live there near. Oh, in a lake. In a lake. Take time, take stock, take note. Every inhale is over. Exhale out the grudge and the door. Make your chest feel like smoke. Who may be ask your heart, who feel it, ask the source. Every thought is just one little cloud, but your spirit bigger than core. In a day, in a day.
Early morn breeze, chalice a sting. Me sit down pon the hillside, watch the live stream. All heap nice in a town, but me mind clean. Silence at the elder where me never yet seen. Me ask myself, what really rich? Chain pon your neck, a piece in your chest. Herb cool the temper, cool the ego itch. Silence draw the answer, put the worry for rest. Herb and holy silence, teach me how to calm the violence. From the ghetto to the highest science, my bond is stress, me hold the guidance. Herb and holy silence, give the youth them deeper vision. Stand firm in a truth, with enough resilience. Enough man chase sight, one big name ring, but them can't hear truth, too much loud things. Me just take one draw, hear the bird them sing. Creation a chance, same time a soul swing. Old Rasta tell me youth, reason slow. Word where you swallow that make you grow. Mind where you carry that make you glow. So me guard me thoughts like a real dread bow. Overthinking make you drown in a cup, but silence lift your start, fill your cup up. Herb at the ladder where me spirit climb. Step by step me step out a bad mind. Easy now, easy now. Easy now your heartbeat up. Every little breath a one new start. Meditation turn the dark into spark. Herb and holy silence, teach me art for calm the violence. From the ghetto to the highest science, my bond stress me all the guidance.